Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to my channel, and thank you for showing me love, thank you for subscribing, thank you for commenting, thank you for liking. And if you're new and just bumping into my channel, guys, do not forget to subscribe. The red button is here. Make sure, guys, you don't leave without subscribing. Make sure, guys, you subscribe, and do not forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload another video. So today I'm going to do a review or first impressions on Catrice. And what happened was, like, I've been hearing a lot of good things about Catrice products, and I've just been wanting to try them out. I think last month I wanted to buy Catrice, and then what happened? I don't know, but like I think I forgot to order. This month I decided to buy it. Okay, do not mind, guys. Just raining and stopping and raining and stopping and raining and stopping. So I've been wanting to try the Catrice products out. I'm going to go out in about an hour. My sister said it's past 9, so I'm going to go out, and I think I'm going to come back at around 4. So this will be very good, because I'm going to see if it moves, if it lasts on my face, if it's oily, if it oxidizes, all those type of things. I'm going to share with you guys, like, first hand, honey. I'm going to shoot a video when I come back, okay, to show you how it sits, or how, if it has moved, and all that good stuff. So the products that I got, the first product that I got from Catrice is this Prime and Fine. Yeah, you can see now. Is this like Prime and Fine setting spray. It says a Prime and Fine multi-talent setting spray. Prepares the skin, improves makeup wear, refreshes complexion. So this is like a 2-in-1. I wanted to buy like a primer, and then I wanted to buy a setting spray, but I realized like this is 2-in-1, and I said, okay, let me just buy this. This is the first product that I got. And the second thing that I got is this HD liquid coverage foundation. The bottle really surprised me, guys. Like, I mean, look at this. The bottling is really nice. Okay, I'm going to be telling you all about this as well. And okay, it says like HD liquid coverage foundation lasts up to 24 hours, mattifying second skin effect. So we're gonna see if it's really 24 hours. Like, the thing is, I'm so scared. I don't want to be disappointed, guys, because I will not wash my face. Okay, I'm not washing my face. I'm just putting this on, and then I'm going, because yeah, I'm almost late. I don't know when I'm gonna finish this, but yeah, I don't want to be late. And I hope and pray it does what it says it does. Okay, I'm just gonna trust them. I'm just gonna trust them. So the third thing that I got, the third and last thing that I got, is this. Like, look at this container, guys. It's really, look at this. Look at this. It's the Catrice Fixing Glow Illusion Loose Powder. It says it's translucent, okay, and radiant. So it says like it glows. It shows like a glow illusion. So we're gonna see, honey. We're gonna see it, and I hope it does what it says it does, because for the price, honey, it should be good, because it's a little bit of expensive. Yeah, these are like the 3 products that I'm going to be reviewing, or doing my first impression on. I hope my face won't be like, you know, I hope it'll be good. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing how this products like will go on my face, and how it's all going to come together, carry on watching.
Saw me on the television, setting fire to all the buildings.
Okay, you guys, so I've already done my brows, and yeah, I just wanted to do my brows first, because I didn't want to waste your time while I'm like doing brows, because you know, like, brows take time. Okay, so the first product that I got from Catrice that I'm going to test out and see is the long-lasting Prime and Fine multi-talent fixing spray. This is like a 2-in-1 fixing spray. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can see. This is like a 2-in-1 fixing spray. Okay, it's a primer and then a setting spray. So yeah, I cannot wait to try this out, guys. I cannot wait to try this. So I didn't put any primer. I just put like a moisturizer on my face. But I'm going to use this one as my primer, and then I will use like my foundation and whatever. So the Catrice foundation. So let's just prime the face. Let's see. It smells really nice. Okay, it smells really nice. So let's just do this. Okay, I think this is, oop. Okay, I think this is enough for the primer. No, yeah. So let's just do this, and so that like the primer will just set. Okay, don't mind the noise that outside, guys. Like, I don't know why they're making noise. Okay, so let's just try that a little bit. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to talk about this bottling, guys. The bottle is a little bit smaller than it looks. So yeah, I was a little bit disappointed by this because it's really small. Okay, not really small, but it's small. Okay, it's like a 50 milliliter bottle, and it's not like really matte. When you put it, it's like shiny. So when you want to put it as like a primer, I know that like it's a little bit shiny, which is good for a primer. Let me see if it's sticky. It's a little bit sticky, which is good as well, because like, yeah, we want like our makeup to, what do you call it, to stay on our face. We want like the makeup to not go anywhere. So yeah, this is how it's looking, guys. This is their Prime and Fine Multi-Talent Setting Spray. Okay, let me tell you guys, I was so happy with this. I was really like, this is like the highlight of everything. Okay, like, okay, not the highlight of everything because we still have but guys, I was really happy with this bottling, guys. The bottle looks so pretty. It's like matte and it's so big. Okay, I really wasn't expecting like it to be this big. Okay, I thought maybe it was up to here. Like from the picture it looks a little bit like smaller, but it's really big. And it comes with this like drop, like, is it dropper? Yeah, this dropper where you can just, you know, do your thing. So I was so happy, and I bought this one in 080, like caramel. Wow, in caramel beige. Yeah, this color is caramel beige 080. It says HD liquid coverage, lasts up to 24 hours, mattifying second skin effect, which is good. Like, we really want our skin to look like there is no foundation, but there is foundation, if you know what I mean. But not like there's no foundation, but like it should look a little bit natural, if you know what I mean. So yeah, this is good, guys. I'm going to try this out and see. So yeah, this is really good. This Prime and Fine whatever is really good. So wow, whatever, this Prime and Fine setting spray is really good. So yeah, I'm going to try out this is good, guys. It comes in a like 30 milliliter bottle. The bottle, guys, is so pretty. I know, like from here to here there's nothing. Okay, just like this glass bottle. And then yeah, so let's just taste this out and see how it's going to look on our face. But let's just taste it on our face and see. Okay, so as you can see, it comes like, okay, these are the drops, and it's like not too liquidy, it's not too thick, it's like the right ooh, child. Okay, so I don't know if I put too much or not, but like I can already see coverage. So let's just try to put it on our face and see. I'm just first going to cover this side and leave this side. As you can see, I have like dark marks, dark spots like on my face. I just hope it covers everything, but so far so good. You can see like it's covering pretty well. I don't know if I put too much, guys. I think I put too much. I think you just have to put like a small drop, but I put too much. So yeah, we're just going to make it work. Guys, now I'm struggling. I think you can see with Catrice, a drop goes a long way. Okay, a drop goes a long way, because I had to remove some that was here and then put it back in the bottle. Okay, so with just one go, my spots are covered. You can just see a small tiny bit here. Okay, let me just use my beauty blender to just kind of like blend in. Okay, I was using this brush. I bought it like, I bought it as a set at like a China shop. So you know the things, okay? Okay, so this is how it's looking, guys. Look at how like my dark spots like it's been covered. Like, guys, this is really good. Okay, I can see like small like, you know, those problematic, those like stubborn those stubborn pimples or those stubborn marks that just don't want to be covered. But guys, look at this. Like, it really covered everything. It really covered almost everything. So it's really good, and it's really lightweight, guys. It's really lightweight. I'm going to go in with my concealer. I didn't buy Catrice concealer, so let me just do this quickly. Okay, I'm going to use this this guys, wait, before we go any further. Okay, this is a very underrated brand. This one, if you find this one, you're good, honey, because it's very underrated. I'm telling you, it's so underrated. Okay, guys, I forgot to say this smells really good as well. Like, it smells really good. It smells better, so much better than the this one, the Prime and Fine setting spray. It smells so good. If you are a person who loves like foundations which smell good, or whatever we smell good, honey, this is for you because it smells so good. To set my face, I'm going to use this Catrice Fixing Glow Illusion Loose Powder. It's translucent radiance, 11 grams. What does it say here? Okay. Translucent loose powder with soft focus effect and light reflecting pearls. Ultrafine formula can be worn by itself or used to fix makeup. So yeah, guys, this is how it's looking like. It comes in this, wow, okay. It comes in this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful container, but my only like con here is just that it's so small, guys. Wow, it's really, really small. Okay, not really small. When I mean it's small, guys, I mean this. See how it is small. I want to see if it's good for the price, okay? Because yeah, this one is like a little bit of, but it's a little bit of expensive. And I just hope it's really good, okay? I hope it's so good because yeah, for the price, honey. There are like letters inside. It's like a C, it's like an A. So I think it's Catrice, yeah. It smells like something I know, but it smells like food, right? But something I know, food, not food, but like a spice. I don't know, maybe it's just me. So I'm just gonna use this. Let's just test it out. Okay, I think this is enough. And then I bought it in number what? I don't know, I think this doesn't have numbers, okay? It says it contains carmine. What's carmine, guys? Is it like a spice? Maybe that's a spice of smelling. It's looking. I'm just gonna use this. I don't know why I like to use this brush for I like to use any brush. Oh, you know what? You know what, guys? Okay, let me tell you something. I really love. Wow, this spot here is like problematic. Ugh. It doesn't want me to shine. It doesn't want me to like. Can't it allow me to shine in peace? Can't it allow me to shine in peace? Like, see, it doesn't want to. But anyway, we'll move. Okay, so I really love a powder that like really, you know, it's really good. So let's just go in here. I'm not going to do any hectic color or any hectic, you know, color. I'm just going to do like a subtle color that is just, you know, down and not too much. So let me just do my eyes and then I'm gonna come back just now. So I'm done with my eyes. I didn't even touch my face, okay, except like for the eyes. And you can see like, what do you call it? This Catrice powder, it just like was, you know, it seems like the foundation just sucks the powder and the powder just like sinks in the skin, if you know what I mean. Like it really sinks in the skin. Let me just clear here a little bit. Let me just clean here a little bit. And then everything's gonna come together when I put when I contour everything, when I contour my nose and when I contour here. So I'm not gonna put like too much. I'm just gonna put like a little. Use your hands where you feel like the lipstick is not there. Okay, so this is the look. I'm gonna finish off now with our Catrice Prime and Fine. Now I'm using it as a setting spray. At first I used it as a primer. At first I used it as a primer and now I'm using it as a setting spray to just like set my face and make everything like come to life or come together. I don't know how to say it, but oh, child. It smells so, yeah, it smells so fresh. Okay, it smells like so fresh, so good, so nice. I don't know how to describe it, but like the smell is everything. So yeah, as I said before, the setting spray is like, here's like this shiny finish, and this powder has like a little bit of like glowy. The glow is not like too much, it's just like, yeah, in between. It's not too glowy and it's not like too, what do you call it? It's not less, it's not more. So it's just like the right glow, the right consistency. It's not like too glowy, it's not like too much. And if you want that oily finish, not matte, it's not like matte finish, it's not like a matte finish, it is oily, like an oily kind of finish. So if you want your face to be more oily, you can just add this. So let me go and change, guys, and then when I come back, I'm going to show you the final look when I come back. Okay, so this is the final look, guys. I know, like, it's really good. And yeah, I'm almost late, guys, but yeah, so I'm going to go out right now, and then I'm going to come back and tell you guys what I think about this. Okay, I'm going to tell you guys what I think about this and how long it lasted me, if it smudged, if it like moved, if it did not, if it like stayed in place, all that jinx, honey, I'm going to share with you when I come back. So yeah, see you when I come back, guys. I'm almost late. Hey guys, so I just came back. Okay, I just came back, and as you can see, it's raining. You can see outside it's raining, and I just got in, and I just wanted to give you guys an update on this foundation and the setting spray, and it's really looking nice, guys. I don't want to lie to you, like, child, everything is still in place since morning, guys. Everything like is still in place, and I really love it. Okay, there's not even like wrinkles, you know, those wrinkles created by foundations and all that. Like, none of that is happening. Foundation is good, the coverage is good, the powder, guys, the powder is good. Like, it's just, it sets everything together. Okay, it makes everything like make sense, if you know what I mean. It makes everything like to make sense. I heard a lot about this foundation and the Catrice product, guys. Catrice is like the bomb, honey. It's like the bomb. Okay, I don't want to lie to you. It gets like a little bit like orangey, but not too much, but just a little bit. But I didn't even touch up, guys, to tell you the truth. I didn't even touch up. Okay, I didn't even take powder and do this. And to think that like we're doing activities where we went, like we're doing like activities, I should have been sweating because like we were on the sun and all that. But I'm so surprised with how it's looking. It's just like how I just got out. This is how I'm looking, okay? Except like a little bit of like shininess and all that. But guys, this is good. I don't want to lie. Like, wow, Catrice, honey, Catrice, you did the thing. Okay, let me plug you guys. I'm plugging you. Okay, let me take it. Wait, honey, wait. I'm the plug, okay? This, let me plug you, child. The setting spray, just do qua, I don't know, whatever it is, okay? Just do that and you're good, honey. This is like really good. I'm really loving it, guys. I'm really loving it. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please turn on the post notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. And as I always say, every time, every video, okay? See you on my next one.